my channel.
What do we make this time?
We should make Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty Bunny Pancakes?
Yeah. Are we making some bunny pancakes?
We are.
Oh.
Where's the pan?
Let's get started.
First we're gonna spray the pan. Spray so nothing sticks. Step right up. Okay, so we're gonna start with the pancake mix, aren't we?
Yeah.
Very good.
Put some sprinkles on those pancakes.
Mm-hmm.
Can I open it? I'm gonna use some sprinkles to eat.
That would be great.
We use some sprinkles and we add some sugar.
Mm-hmm.
We use some sugar already. Let's use this.
That sounds good. Thank you.
Where did I go that? You're not going that too. Ooh, some syrup. Ooh.
Does it look yummy?
Yeah, yummy.
What should we call these?
Call them syrup. This is with some hot tub. Go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. What do you think?
It looks perfect. Perfect, Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Should we add in the pancake mix?
Yeah.
Here it comes.
I'll help you.
Yeah, does that look gooey?
Yeah. Can I help you?
Yes, you may.
Okay.
Should we scoop some more?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good scooping. Really good.
Add some sprinkles.
Good
Let's
idea.
add some sprinkles. Look, my pancakes are too big. Ooh, are we gonna add some sprinkles on?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Should we put sprinkles on now?
Yeah.
Let's keep our hands back for safety.
Okay.
Okay,
Keep your hands back.
that's right. For safety.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna open the sprinkles, which
That.
oh yes. So this, we slide it.
What? I see that.
Yes. So now I'm gonna flip this onto here. Ready? Whoa. That one heated up fast, didn't it? Can we try again?
Yeah.
Are you eating those sprinkles?
I'm trying to feed them to the pen.
Okay. You're just eating a few?
Yeah.
Okay.
We made it. We made it, Mom.
Yay!
That's perfect.
Good job.
Here you go.
Thank you.
It's going like this.
Oh yeah.
It's going up and down, up and down, up and down.
Mm-hmm. It's growing, isn't it?
I think it's growing.
I think so too. You want some green sprinkles?
Yeah, green sprinkles.
Okay, hold out your hands. There. Whoop.
Whoa.
Lift your hand all the way in the air. Yep, now do it. There you go. Nice job.
Let's put them on. I put those sprinkles on.
Here comes the flip. Say flip.
Flip.
Ha-ha.
It's big.
It is getting big.
Teeth. Teeth. Do you see my teeth? Do you see my teeth?
I do see your teeth. Those are great.
I see your teeth.
Thank you. What do we use teeth for?
Brush my teeth.
Yeah? Do we eat with them?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh my, our pancake is getting so big.
Yeah.
Pretty soon we're gonna have to flip it.
Whoa. What's that sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, gently on top. Very good. Mommy will add some.
It looks perfect. Let's make some dinosaur pancakes.
Oh boy.
Click on my video if you want to watch the show. Bye bye.
Very good.